All right, let's unbox this mobile power bank. Supposedly, this is good if, you're on a trip and you don't think you're going to have anywhere to charge your phone. You can use these as a charger or additional power bank. Yeah, there it is. And it's super small. Check it out. But you're going to notice there's a button back here, all right? To turn this thing on so it doesn't discharge out of these, you do one press. To turn it off, you do two presses, okay? So like if I go, all right, so if I go here and I press it once, now it's letting the electricity come out into the phone. If I press it twice, it turns it off. Okay, one press, it should come on. You should see, you'd be able to read something in the field. Two presses, it should disappear. Okay, so that lets you, that way, you're not going to discharge the power in this thing. So you want to keep it, fully charged up. And that way you've got that extra power for your phone. So the other cool thing is you can take this, you can use this as a stand for your phone. If you want to do like a video or something, I'll show you how it works. I'm going to go ahead and just set this thing down right here like that, okay? Then I'm going to pop this off because I've got this is the lightning connector here, right? And this is the one for a iPhone 15 because it's USB-C, right? So the lightning connector, right, goes right into the bottom of this. And I can just put this right like that. And bam, now I got a stand for my phone. Check it out. I'll show you. Take a look at it right here. See, it's already, I've got it on. So it's charging, or it's giving power to the phone. And it's booting up. But I can also, I've got it on the stand. So here's this little stand. You can pop it out like that. And then you can do, if you need to do a video or something, or if you just want to sit back and watch your phone, you can do it like that. So that's a kind of a neat feature, right? All right, so if you notice, like if you're going to put this in your purse or, carry-on bag, you want to snap your, your thing down like this. And this right here kind of pops out, right? But if you look, you can smush it in there like that, and that kind of stays that way. And you also want to make sure that this is on top of here. So that's ready for storage, right? And then this is also a little handy thing that you can carry it with. You know what I mean, jelly beans? So that's basically how that works. On this side, you've got your port for your charging. And I'm just going to go ahead and charge this bad boy up. So I'm just going to pop her in there. And bam, Bob's your uncle. Look, it's charging now. So anyway, here's the USB-C plugged into a block. And that's how I'm charging it. You could have used this, but I've already got this all set up, so why should I do that? All right, let's just let her charge up. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace